Pottville, Texas. This was a section of track that I added on whenever I got the Heartland Holler set. Originally it was just 2 tables over here, and then I got the other track set, so I went ahead and added another table. So yeah, let's take a quick look here. I'll go over a few things. I ordered the cows. They're supposed to be 1/64 scale. I got them off Amazon. I wanted some Longhorns, but I couldn't find any. The goats and the pigs come from Hobby Lobby. All the fencing I made from scratch. The fence along the perimeter is toothpicks and silver thread. And the pig pen, the fence is made out of craft sticks from Hobby Lobby. You can get like 75 of them for $1. All the people in the farm area are from the American Diorama series. We got them off Amazon. The hay bales I made from scratch, and the pile of hay down here where they're feeding's made from scratch. That's all made from a synthetic scouring pad. Then over here to the left, I scratch built this oil well pump. It's made from styrene and miscellaneous leftover model parts that I had. I think that turned out pretty good. The barn is also made from scratch. The initial structure is made from foam board, and then I cut down craft sticks for the wood siding. I think it turned out pretty well. And moving up here just a little bit, you can see my biplane. I did scratch build the biplane also. It's made from, there again, craft sticks. You can see it turned out pretty good. The decals are from model kits. I save all my extra ones. So, then I just have it hanging up there with some fishing line. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. Added a little figure in there from Hobby Lobby. And then working our way down this way, the little cornfield. I picked that up at Hobby Lobby. And as we move here to the right, the little farmer's market there. That's from American Diorama. The guy standing in front of the house and the lady that's on the porch, and the gray Dodge there came from the same set, M2 machines. The house, I made the farmhouse. It's scratch built. There again, it's made from the initial structure is 1/4 inch foam board, or sorry, 3/8 inch foam board, and then the siding I did the same. I cut it down from craft sticks that I got at Hobby Lobby. Same way at the roof. And moving over to the water tower. The water tower is also made from scratch. That's actually a toilet paper roll. And then some scrap cardboard on top that I made the cone roof. The supports are barbecue skewers. The slats that I cut down from the craft sticks. And then the water pipe there in the center is a piece of styrene tubing. But yeah, all in all, I think it turned out really well. I'm happy with it. And there'll be more to come on the track as I get it finished. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.